Aubrey Norton, leader of the People's National Congress Reform and a Partnership for National Unity, PNCR and APNU, on the program sources, fleshed out a number of reasons why he believes the party did so poorly in its 2025 elections bid. Norton stated a plethora of issues in his mind that he felt contributed to his party's stinging defeat. Finances topped the list.
There's no doubt that some people were carried away by the wealth on that side. I sense what we have to do moving forward is to find wealthy people who are willing to support the APNU and move forward.
He was adamant that the war chest was important going into the 2030 elections since the political dynamics have significantly changed.
It can no longer be a situation where you just rely on your policies, your programs, etc. That's not going to...
You have to have money.
You have to have money. That is going to be a critical factor moving forward.
The rampant resignations and loss of prominent members did not aid the image of the party. He contended that had there been greater unity within when he took over the leadership at such a turbulent time, their performance could have been much improved.
It would have affected, but I don't think they pulled votes. In fact, if you do a careful analysis, it's some of our ground soldiers who went to win that helped rather than the persons who will end up at the top.
The party leader also believes that due to the flexibility of the APNU base, Win was able to lure their traditional supporters due to sympathy towards their presidential candidate and the lure of money. Marvin, Cato reporting for HGP Nightly News.